Basically, gusto kong balikan yung definition ng allergic rhinitis, okay? So definitely, it has an allergic component, okay? And alam natin kasi, di ba, pag sinabing allergy, this doesn't really go away. One is born with it, okay? So, and it means, so dahil yung allergic rhinitis, kasi sabi nyo pabalik-balik, kasi siya, same individual na may ganung sakit, may ganung condition. So, until tumanda siya, meron na siya niyan.
Yes.
Okay, so this is not really treatable. This is controllable.
Controllable.
Okay, so magandang maintindihan ng ating mga kasangbahay, ano? Kasi syempre, one would be, baka first, para at least alam niya na, so parang mas ma-identify niya katulad ng sinabi niyo po na trigger. Pag na-identify, so that can help that individual na ito dapat kong iwasan para wag magkaroon ng atake ulit. Okay, so whether maging umaga yan o hapon o tanghali, gabi, ganyan. Okay, so and then yung rhinitis, rhino means ilong, no? And anything that ends with itis is may pamamaga.
Inflammation.
So yun po yung nag-explain ba kung bakit sinabi nyo kanina baggy, merong parang clogging.
Yes.
It's because paga.
Yes, may inflammation.